I'm going to say this first as the first warning. During council meetings, members of the public shall not engage in shouting, unruly behavior, defamation, personal affronts, profanity, or threats of any kind. Comments from the audience shall be addressed to the mayor and council. Citizens who violate these rules will be asked to cease the violation, and if the violation continues, you will ask to leave the meeting. So now we're going to.
So Ram Gomez is full of shit, guys. If you follow section 551007 public testimony, and you look at E, a government body may not prohibit public criticism of a government body, including criticism of any act, omission, policy, procedure, program, or service. This subject does not apply to public criticism that is otherwise prohibited by law, which is threatening or an obscenity, such as being sexually explicit.
We go to citizen comments or intended for matters that are not scheduled on the agenda, please limit your comments to 3 minutes and state your name and address for the record. Be advised that the Texas Open Meeting Act prohibits the city council from responding and discussing your comments.
Jon Followell, one of the only people in the room that tells you the truth. By the way, your citizens' comment stuff is bullshit. You can do everything you just said is not against the law.
And this is from Ken Paxton, right? This is from the state of Texas. Section 551.007 authorizes a member of the public to address the government body about agenda items only. Now, citizens' comment is different, but the government body members may, but are not required to respond, which means Ram's lying again.
I can personally affront you, cuss at you, do whatever I want, and you have to listen to me because you work for me. You need to remember that, boy. All right. Chief Blanchard, you piece of shit. Chief Blanchard, 1247. You spent.
Okay, now.
Excuse me.
I just read you.
And you're wrong. And you're lying to the public.
I'm not going to put up.
I'm not going to put up with
any
you.
defamation of character.
That's not defamation. That's a fact.
I don't care.
You
I'm
have
not
to
going to put up with no profanity or anything. You either act like an adult and speak right to everybody that's here, and you have the privilege to speak your mind for 3 minutes.
You work for me, boy. You need to remember that.
Go ahead.
That's your warning.
Okay, I'm telling you.
Now rewind my clock while I finish my statement.
Go ahead.
Thank you, sir. Chief Blanchard, $1,247 fitted suit you stole from the company. From us. You work for us. On 9/10/23. Carrie Shrugs, you lied to the public. Carrie Shrugs on Facebook stated that these personally fitted suits was pre-approved by the council and manager of 2011. Jason Knight's dad was that mayor then. Guess what he said, Carrie? Never approved that. Laugh at me all you want. Modifications to the policy manual took place almost 40 days after I complained about him. Y'all modified it. Why did y'all modify it? Do you know when it was modified before, Carrie? Not 2011. I do. 2019, 2014, 2004. You lied to the public. Even with the recent modifications, a Class A uniform is the highest uniform APBD has, and it is not a suit, you scumbag. Uniform Class A. Did you have a dress hat? No, you did not. Long sleeves. Did you have that? Yes, you did. Tie, yes. Trousers, yes. Skirt, I mean, maybe.
Mr. Mayor.
Black belt. I'm talking. It's my turn to talk.
Personal attack once again, Mayor.
Peace. I don't give a crap what you say, you piece of shit.
Okay, now.
There it is again.
I can talk like that. It's a First Amendment right.
Violating the rules of the court.
See, Blanchard, what First Amendment right did I violate? No, he's the cop. You tell me.
I'm not.
What First Amendment right did I violate?
I'm not. You're either going to respect this place or you're going to be asked to walk out.
Am I under duress of arrest?
You're going to go to jail if you...
I'm going to be arrested. Fine.
Guys, this is Fifth Circuit Supreme Court case law. Chaplinsky, 315 U.S. at 572. It has long been held that even vulgar or profound language, such as that involved in this case, is protected unless it amounts to fighting words. No one threatened anybody at the council meeting. They violated my rights and my civil attorney's rights at this council meeting. What a joke these people are.
And that's how you whoop Chief Blanchard's butt. I told y'all play checkers, I play chess, and I've been waiting for you to make this mistake for almost 2 years. This has long been case law, buddy. You can't claim ignorance here, and you just attempted to arrest me and threaten me under arrest for duress. You lost qualified immunity, and I will be suing you and Ram Gomez personally.
Pieces of shit.
Okay. Here.
Oh, I can go. Mr. Mayor, City Council, my name is CJ Grisham. I'm a civil rights attorney here in Texas, and what I just witnessed was a violation of Mr. Followell's rights. Let me read something to you. Arresting someone in retaliation for the exercise of free speech rights is sufficient to chill speech as an understatement. This is Beck v. City of Upland. Arguing, even if done loudly with a profane or offensive language will not, in and of itself, constitute disorderly conduct. That's Payne v. Pauley. Swear words do not provide probable cause for an arrest for disorderly conduct because the words, as a matter of law, are not fighting words. Johnson v. Campbell. I could go on, Mr. Mayor. Your rules of decorum are unconstitutional, and they're setting the city up, you individually, for liability. Now, you will be seeing a letter from me, a demand letter for violating my client's rights just now, because he has the right to say fuck, shit, damn, bitch, cunt, whatever.
Oh.
He has the right to say all of those words because it is a First Amendment right. You can't do anything about it. Let me tell you something. The law has long established that arresting an individual for publicly displaying vulgarities violates the First Amendment. That's the Cohen case, 1969. Indeed, the Supreme Court recently held that a public school violated the free speech rights of a cheerleader by suspending her when she said things like, fuck school, fuck softball, fuck cheer, fuck everything. Then there was another, that's Mahoney Area School District v. BL. There's also Eachus v. Steelman saying that a police officer was not entitled to qualified immunity for arresting a plaintiff who said, fuck you. Did you hear that?
Here we go.
No qualified immunity. So I can say fuck throughout my entire 3 minutes. I can say fuck again, and I can say fuck again, and there's nothing you can do about it because it's called expressive speech. We are allowed to express ourselves. We are allowed to fucking talk about what we think about you. If I think you, Mr. Mayor, are a tyrant, I can say that. If I think the city manager is a piece of shit, I can say that. It's protected. This is the case law. I don't give a shit what you think. The law is right. You escort me out, I'll sue you as well, Mr. Mayor.
Do whatever you want.
This is the law right here. And if these chiefs come out here and pull me out of this meeting, you had better read this, chief, because he's telling you to break the law.
Mayor, no, I'm not.
Yeah.
Mayor.
You can take him
Now,
out.
where'd that coward Kerry Scruggs go?
You go out.
Where'd the coward Kerry Scruggs go?
Take him out.
Is my 3 minutes up?
You're gone.
What am I gone for? What am I gone for? No, his rules of decorum violate the law.
Goodbye. You're going to go to jail for disrespect.
Oh, you're going to arrest me? Oh, you're going to arrest me? Okay, so under the threat of arrest, you just violated my right.
Okay.
Shit, motherfucker.
This is Councilwoman Carrie Scruggs acting like she's never heard profanity before, yet this is her talking shit about our old mayor. Look at that. What a piece of shit she is. Fuck that bitch.
Because you have no qualified immunity.
Goodbye.
Oh, go file out of the meeting. I can stay right here.
No,
I'm not. I have left the meeting.
No, you're gone.
I have left.
Meeting
I'm not in the meeting
right now.
anymore. I'm not in the meeting anymore.
Goodbye. He's gone.
No, I'm gonna
Or he
stay here
goes to
quietly.
jail for disrupting. He doesn't want to listen.
You guys might want to. You guys might want to read this case law. You're. One of you better read this case law. None of you have qualified immunity.
Sue already.
Okay. In that case, all right. Here, let me get everybody's badge numbers.
You can get it later. Right now, you're gone. Sir,
I'm gonna be quiet. I'm gonna be quiet.
You're gone.
Goodbye. My paper. What the fuck are you doing?
Goodbye. You've been asked to leave. Please leave. Stop
Under
making
what
things
authority?
difficult. The mayor kicked you out of the meeting.
He
Just right
unlawfully
now,
kicked me out of the meeting.
we are still disrupting your
Then close the
meeting.
fucking door, Big.
Close the door?
Yeah,
And then
close
you got
the door,
another
man.
argument That's not a public meeting? Get out.
Excuse me, don't touch me. Don't touch me. You are assaulting me right now.
Please walk.
Don't touch me.
Please walk. You're not following commands. Thank you.
Well, I'm not following unlawful commands, motherfucker.
Okay.
All right, so we got Persian. Persian, what's your badge number?
412, sir.
412. Next.
Salazar.
Salazar.
430.
430. Next. How do you spell that?
Huh?
How do you spell that?
Streich.
Streich.
442.
442. Next. Baker. A. Baker.
Yes, sir. 432.
432. Next.
No, you haven't.
W.
HIPKEY. 437.
H-I.
HIPKEY. 437.
Next. H. Thomas.
Right.
Brian, good to meet you.
435. Next. Is that it?
That was rude of me.
And Blanchard.
401. I understand you're not mad. I understand that.
Guys, I want you to know something.
Yes, sir.
I literally quoted them
Yes, sir.
the case. Whoops, there it is. Sorry. I literally quoted them the case law.
Okay.
That what he just did is unlawful.
Yeah.
I also quoted the case law that you lose qualified immunity by arresting me for what you just did. Okay, I literally but you would have arrested me. You threatened to arrest me.
I didn't threaten to arrest.
Your chief threatened to arrest me, and he told you to arrest me if I didn't leave.
Which is under duress.
Which is under duress. That is essentially an arrest. Okay? So none of you have qualified immunity. If I walk through this door, who's going to arrest me?
If you
I need to know.
the official proceedings, sir, you
Yes.
can be in there being
Who will not arrest me if I go through this door?
I want you to go in there and speak, but I want you to speak in a calm.
No, I'm done speaking. That's all been done. What I want to know is, if I go back in this door,
Yeah.
who is going to not arrest me?
Are you going to disrupt the proceedings?
I didn't disrupt the proceeding last time.
Okay, guys, so this is the Attorney General of Texas. This is from 1979. This is why Chief Blanchard, his minions, and Ram Gomez cannot get qualified immunity. This is what his officer outside, which I'll show you the guy here in a minute when they surrounded us and talked about this, but he was trying to educate me that 4201 means disorderly conduct, that I can't go in there and cuss and stuff in public. Well, he's completely wrong. 4201 is explicit by case law. Here it is again. Chaplinsky versus New Hampshire, right? 1942. What's it say? Fighting words. I never threatened anybody, and it wasn't being sexually explicit, which is another term. Those are the only two, guys. Other than that, you can tell them to piss off, bite me, eat shit, you're a piece of shit, whatever you want.
It sounded like you were loud in the hallway, and then we had.
No, I was out in the hallway because you were illegally pushing me out of a meeting.
Yeah, well,
The mayor kicked me out.
Okay, I wasn't there for that. I was there for you getting out of the building.
So you don't know what happened in there. So why are you saying that I was disrupting the meeting when you have no idea what I was doing in there?
I didn't. Oh, okay. I said you were disrupting the meeting because the chief said you were disrupting the meeting. That part I heard.
Okay, and the chief said I was disrupting a meeting because I said fuck at the podium, which this specifically says the word fuck, because I even quoted straight from the case law. Fuck school, fuck cheer, fuck softball, fuck everything. That's Mahoney Area School District v. BL.
Okay.
All right, that her free speech rights were violated
Yeah.
when they suspended her for that.
Okay.
There's the Cohen case where he was at a meeting and he wore a fuck the draft. Same thing.
Okay.
So I said fuck. The mayor said, I can't say that. I says, well, Mayor, I just read you the case law. I can say fuck as much as I want. I can say fuck you. I can say fuck them. I can say piece of shit.
Yeah.
And
You expect them to know that? based
I
on
just
what
read
you
it to them.
said?
I literally just read it to them.
I could print something off the internet that says what I wanted to.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Here's your sign.
He did not, did he? Oh.
Is that really your argument?
I could print something off.
When a lawyer comes up here,
Yeah.
who's an officer of the court,
Okay.
and says what the law is, and there's not a city attorney in
This
there,
isn't a court proceeding, though.
it's not, but this is a public meeting
Yes, sir.
where I have a right
Yes.
to seek redress, do I not?
Yes.
I have a right to criticize elected officials. He has a right
Absolutely.
to, now I'm not going to sue on my behalf,
Okay.
I'm going to sue on his behalf.
Okay.
So I need to know, I guess, even more appropriately,
Yeah.
if Mr. Followell goes back in there, is he going to be arrested?
I don't believe that the term. He doesn't have a criminal trespass. He was.
Well, let's try it then. Let's see if we can just go sit down.
All right.
And just don't say a word.
All right.
Wait, hang on. Did I see the sign? Did y'all put the signs up? No, okay.
No.
by Mr. Gary Evans. He stated that this was a civil matter. While it is a civil
I told y'all guys what a meeting. Violated my rights, CJ's rights, assaulted CJ, threw us out under duress of arrest. Totally illegal. These guys are complete scumbags. By the way, subscribe, help me out a little bit, but I'm also going to put up APPD's Facebook page. You should see the comments going out today from people attacking them for what they did to us. Y'all get on there, show Chief Blanchard some love. Thanks, guys.